Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is from yourshop.ru. And today this is the new sneakers for Nike SB Dunk the Pro. This one is the new colorway. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link here. And this is the shoe box. And this is the new shoes. So you can look golden Nike shoes, and on the whole view you can look at the colors and the material. So got the white tempered leather and the light blue suede and the white midsole. Also got the yellow stitching go through the whole midsole, and this part got the silver color. You can look at the whole view is very fresh, very clean. And this is the toe base. The shape is very good. And then the shoelace, this kind of shoelace is the silver color, very beautiful. And then the shoe tom, got the Nike SB and then Cliver, and then this color. And about the inner side, got the same golden Nike shoes and the same design as the other side. About the back side, this is classical for Nike SB Dunk sneakers. On top, got the Nike embroidered and the suede material. And the second in the middle, got like this, very good workmanship. And about the bottom, so you can look how beautiful is the ice green color. It's transparent one, and I got the golden pendants on the whole bottom. In the middle, got the Nike SB. And I got another extra shoelace. It's pure white. So this is the new color of Nike SB Dunk those sneakers. Would you like to copy this one? If you want, please don't forget to check on my web link and contact us if you have any more questions. Thanks for seeing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.